In this demo, we will create a business term and publish it after a review by the stakeholder. Use the Analyst Tool URL to log into the Analyst Tool interface. We will log in as the data steward who manages the glossary. In the library workspace, we can see a list of assets that we have access to. Click Glossaries to see the Financial Markets glossary. We will create a business term called revenue in the Financial Markets glossary. We select business term from the new menu to create a new business term. Select the Financial Markets glossary from the list of glossaries that we see. When we create a business term, we must specify the mandatory term properties. We will specify the name and description for the business term. We can assign people to manage and approve the term. In the People section, assign an owner, data steward, and stakeholder to the term. We can also specify other properties to enrich the term. We can specify relationships between the term revenue and other glossary assets in the Financial Markets glossary. We will add the terms goods and services as a see also relationship. We will add revenue to the business income category. We will add the word turnover as a synonym. If we need the synonym to be active only for a specific duration of time, we can specify the retirement date. To complete the task of creating a business term, click Save and Finish. The Analyst Tool creates a business term and the term is in the draft phase. We can open the library workspace and view the term in the Assets tab under Business Terms. We will open the business term and propose the term for a review by the stakeholder. The phase of the term changes to In Review. We will log out of the Analyst Tool and log in as the stakeholder. The stakeholder receives a notification when we propose the term for review. The stakeholder can acknowledge the notification or delete it. We will acknowledge the notification. The stakeholder approves or rejects the business term after reviewing the properties that we specified. We will approve the term. We will log back into the Analyst Tool as the data steward. We can publish or reject the term after a review by the stakeholder. We will publish the business term. After we publish the business term, the face of the term changes to Published. Glossary consumers can now see the term. That completes this demo. To summarize, we created a business term and named it Revenue. We added assets that are related to revenue when we created the business term. We proposed the term for review and published it after approval from the stakeholder.
If you have feedback on this demo or to request a demo on another topic, email us at infa_documentation@informatica.com. You can also tweet us on the InfaSupport Twitter site.